Hello friends, my name is Kailash and in this video we are going to see how you can debug a formula in Excel using F9 key. So here I have a sample data, I have got name, the days and presence. Now what I want to do is I want to check the eligibility and calculate the bonus. So eligibility logic is that if the presence is greater than 75%, then that person is eligible or allowed, else it is not allowed. Then in bonus, we are checking whether the eligibility is allowed and the presence day are more than 20. Now we know that some problem is there in the formula. Reason is because if you see this one, this person was present for 19 days out of 20. So certainly it is more than 75%, but still it says not allowed. And because of that, the bonus is also saying some error. So let's look at it, what we are doing. So here is the formula that is used here. What we are doing is we are dividing D3, which is days present, divide by total days, and we are checking if it is greater than 75, then it is allowed, else it is not allowed. Now, how you can debug a formula if it is not working as per your expectation? So the traditional way to do this is using this formula bar and this evaluate formula, this option, right? Now, this is good. You can make use of it, but there is a faster way to debug as well using F9. How to do that? Let's see. So here what I can do is if I select the formula and simply press F9, it is going to calculate everything. Okay, I'm going to press escape. Now, if there are some arguments, for example, this parameter is connected to a cell. So if you select that particular cell, then you can press F9. It is going to evaluate only that part. See, it got changed to 30. Same way, only this part if you select and press F9, it is going to evaluate. Now, if you see, for example, this divide by this, press F9, it is actually calculating, right? And then you can check, is it greater than 75? No. So that's why it is going to not allowed. I'm going to press escape. If you press enter, this is going to save. So we don't want to do that. So press escape. Again, another way is if you are using a function, for example, if function is used here. If you want to select like logical test, it is going to select that portion directly. Then like true or false like this. So if you select this and then press F9, this entire condition is going to evaluate. Okay, so again I have pressed escape key. Now let's look at what we are doing. So if I want to evaluate, for example, this is what I was expecting, it should go into allowed. So let's see what is happening. So if I press F9, it's going to false. So basically it is returning this, right? Now say like this, F9, it is going to not allowed. Now somehow this is not correct. And why it is not correct? Let's have a look. F9, this is 0.95, which is 19 divided by 20. So this is correct. And then we are checking if it is greater than 75. No, the requirement was 75% and not actually 75. So it should be 0.75, right? Because the percentage in Excel is 1 equals to 100%. So 75% would be 0.75 like this. Now if I drag this, Control V, right. So it is working, right? Now if we see the same formula, what it is returning, I'm going to press F9. 0.95 is greater than 75, true, right? So that's how it is now going to return me true like this. Okay, so that's how you can use F9 and let's look at this also. So we are calculating bonus. So while all are working and this one is not working. So the logic we have written is that if E6, which is this, is allowed, which is not true actually, in that case, we are checking some more condition and let's see what is happening. So to start with, we will select first one and evaluate this one, F9. So it is true. So basically it went to this one, right? If it is true, it will go to here. If it is false, there is no false condition. Now within this, let's see, F9, this is also true. So it must have returned yes. So if I now evaluate this part, yes, and true. If it is true, it is going to return yes. That's how it is happening, right? F9, yes, that's how I'm getting it. Press escape. Now here, why it is giving the false? So let's see. So this one, F9, false. So here is the true part. So it is not going to do any evaluation. Still, if we can press F9, it is going to say no, but it is not returning because it is false. And where is the false condition? There is no false condition. So the issue is that because there is no false condition, it is simply returning false. Now, what is the solution? The solution is this is okay, this is okay, there is no false condition. After that, we can say if it is false, then also the user is not allowed like this. Now, if I double click, right, now it is working. As you see, we have used F9 key to evaluate a portion of a formula. And that's how we were able to find out where the problem is. If you need this practice file, you can find the link in the video description.